I just know Google is gonna hate me for this. So if you don't know, this is my terrible Chromebook. It actually like sucks. And if you couldn't tell, today I'm installing Windows on it. Do I think this is a good idea? Absolutely not. But will I do it? Yes. Let's go ahead and install Windows. Now, normally before Windows, Chromebooks would run Chrome OS, but mine isn't even running anything. It's just running this low-level firmware. I just got so tired of Chrome OS, I erased it. I was like done with Chrome OS. It's literally the worst operating system ever. So let's finally put an operating system on this device. It might struggle a ton though, because this is a 9-year-old Intel Celeron and it's only got 4 GB of RAM. I also can't forget the 16 GB of total storage space, so this is like extremely cooked. Now, to install Windows on here, we obviously need to make an installer, so time to bring out the Wintosh. This is just like my MacBook running Windows. I got a few ISOs on here, so let's just get one from here. Okay guys, I added both of them in. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose yet, but I think I'm just gonna go for Tiny 10. It's much more lightweight, takes up less storage. I'm sure it's gonna be perfect for this Chromebook, so let's just start installing. Yes, give me Tiny 10, please. Tiny 10. Okay, this is actually good. It's starting. Wait, what the heck is this? What is going on? All right, that was very weird, but I guess let's just go set up Windows now because it looks like everything's working just fine. Yes, Microsoft, take my data, and what the heck's going on here? This is exactly what I was talking about earlier. This Chromebook has like no storage space, only around 14 GB or so. Since this is Tiny 10 though, I guess we can proceed even though it's barely enough space. Yeah, okay, this might take hours, but at least it's working. After like a few hours, we finally made it to the out-of-the-box experience, so let's just set this up now. Okay, it's day 2. Let's see if it's all set up. Okay, here's the plan. We need drivers and then a game to test like Roblox. Come on, Microsoft Edge, are you gonna let me in? Bro, I just wanna get my drivers. Apparently this website over here has all the drivers we need, so I'm just gonna go download all of these one by one. I really hope we have enough space for this because there's nothing on this operating system and half of the drive is already full. This thing was definitely not having fun during the driver installation process. It was struggling a ton, but we finally got all the drivers, we got audio, we can control our display brightness. So now let's move on to testing performance. I'll start off by opening Microsoft Edge. How does it handle this? Yeah, can't handle this apparently. Yeah, it really can't handle this, bro. Look at that. It's at 100% utilization on google.com. I think we need to do an ultra scientific test, so I'm pulling up 8K Birds Ultra HD. Yes, this is what we need. This will determine if this Chromebook is good or bad. We don't need any Geekbench, Cinebench, we don't need that. We have 8K Birds Ultra 8K HD. Let's turn up the quality here. Bro, why is this maxed out at 4K? Can Microsoft Edge not handle this? Let's check on Task Manager. What is going on here? Oh, I feel really bad for this Chromebook. Oh, even this window's like lagging. Look at this. Yeah, it obviously can't even handle this. Let's move on to gaming and see if that works any better. Sadly, Roblox is the only game I'll be able to test right now because we're out of storage. There's literally nothing on this computer and it's out of storage. We're cutting it really close here. We only have like 90 megabytes. Will Roblox install? That's the $1 million question. No actual way. It looks like it worked. So, time to log in. If it ever loads. This is the best Roblox game right here, so let's see if this runs. Come on now. Don't hang up on me. Wait a second, this actually isn't that bad. It's running at like 60 frames. Well, it was at 60 frames. Now it's at like 30, which still isn't that bad for a Chromebook. I'd say it's playable, but it's not good, okay? Especially for a PvP game. You don't want to have any FPS drops when you're playing a game like this. So that's the video. Hope you liked it. Have a nice day. In all seriousness though, this Chromebook can kind of handle Windows, but you know, kind of can't at the same time. It's better than Chrome OS, that's for sure. Let me know what else I should test on this device. We can do like Android x86, Linux, Mint, Linux, Ubuntu, whatever you want, just comment it down below. So I guess I'll see you in the next one, if this Chromebook doesn't turn into a Galaxy Note 7 and explode.